Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the GLOSTAD Loveseat from IKEA. For this build, you'll only need a wrench that IKEA gives you. Also, as a side note, after you cut open these two cushions from the vacuum seal, it'll take approximately 72 hours for the cushions to expand to their normal form. So the first step is to take out the backrest like this. Now grab both armrests and put them into this orientation. Just make sure the two holes that I pointed to are facing outwards. Also grab 8 of these screws. Then with your fingers, fully tighten all 8 screws into these 8 holes like this. Just make sure you're tightening the shorter end of each screw. Next, bring in the seat and put it into this orientation. Then connect it as shown. Now grab 2 nuts, 2 washers, and using the wrench, secure everything together. Now grab the backrest and make sure that the 2 holes on both sides are in this orientation. Then connect the backrest as shown. Then grab another 2 washers and 2 nuts and secure this end of the backrest using the wrench. Now grab the other armrest and connect it as shown. Next, grab 4 washers and 4 nuts, then secure everything together using the wrench. The whole process will look like this. Then turn and flip the love seat onto its feet. Next, grab the backrest cover, put it into this orientation, and unzip both zippers. Then put each cushion inside and zip everything back up. Now put the cover over the backrest like this. Then grab the bottom end of the cover and stick the Velcro strip on a shell. Now adjust and fluff out the backrest cushions to minimize wrinkles. So you now have a fully assembled GLOSTAD Loveseat from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.